TC stock analysis and TC stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at TuanChe limited stock. I guess that's how you pronounce the name, but the thing is really popular right now. But yeah, it went up 17%. As of right now, it's 17% up, but you know, it's slowly falling down because at some point of the day, it was like even higher. Like I'm talking, we were up approximately around almost 200%, so that's crazy. And with TC right now, we just kind of have the lows marked up here. So all I'm sticking to is just something that I've tested for 30,000 videos, the strategy itself, right? And has given me thousands of predictions. And all I'll give you right now, and my 2 cents on this is just going to be, boom. Well, I'm not going to sit here and try to boast, but I've saw this thousands of times, right? Thousands of times, and rules are not being met whatsoever, but the overall bias for me is short here. So if you want to learn how to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.